I knew Endless Footdrag was coming, I wasn't really sure what it was. My son and I love to come out and watch. Normally we'll pack a picnic lunch, bring a blanket, sit out in front of the car, and spend hours setting out here. Or sometimes they fly clear into town over my house. I live on the other side of town, and we can hear them, and we'll run outside to go see.
You know, I've hauled water to my house for 30 years. You know, a lot of people don't have to haul water anymore. They just expect that there's a line. But yeah, I hauled water for 30 years. And I just finally got my line up to my house and I don't have to haul water anymore.
This event means a lot to Fredonia. As a small town, we're always trying to bring people to town. We take pride in our town. We take pride in the just hospitality that we can offer, and we like being able to share that with others. It means a lot to us. It means a lot to our businesses, to our restaurants, to our tourism businesses, the hotels and whatnot, and it brings people out. The fall weather is great. It's nice to come out and enjoy being together with friends and family and watching something neat that you don't get to see every day.
My best memory of Fredonia and living here would go back to 2007. We had an obscene amount of rain and brought on the flood of '07. We lost everything, but Fredonia came together, and it was one of those, if you needed a shirt, somebody found one. If you needed a place to stay, there was a place to stay. And we recovered and are here today to tell about it.
I like it, it's home. I like living here. I'm comfortable here. I love the scenery. It's where I want to stay. It doesn't have a lot of people. And I go to other big cities, like where my sister lives, San Francisco. I've been to Los Angeles, and it's just like, I can't wait to get back home. I mean, it's peaceful here.
It's really awesome having the camaraderie of a small town. Obviously, I think Fredonia is one of the greatest, but don't thumb your nose at a small town because there's a lot of big hearts out there. We have one of the largest flags in the area. We really support our armed service. We have a lot of history with that, so it's really neat to see the big flag fly over the mound when you're driving down 400 Highway. Our town really prides itself. We have multiple parks, so we're really family driven. It's just a neat place to raise a family. A lot of my friends have brought their children back home, so we're raising our kids together just like we were raised. It's just a really neat atmosphere to be raised here in Fredonia.
I want to fly paramotor because I've always watched them as long as they've come to Fredonia, and it just looks fun and something I've not done.
So, the reason I wanted to fly, it looked like fun, and I wanted to find out if I was going to enjoy it.
I wanted to fly a paramotor because I enjoy the thrill. I'm a roller coaster junkie, all of that, and I was in my creating and childbearing years and didn't get to for the first few years you guys were here.